Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we will talk about the innovation, yeah, like creativity plus commercialization, yeah. I'm Marina Tiasa from Electrical Engineering Nusa Putra University, yeah. So this is what we want to talk about, share, yeah, about innovation. So the outline, what is the innovation? And then types of innovation, build forth on innovation, what is creativity, portrait of a creative person, and 6 tips you to help you enhance your creativity. And another one, find what you love to do, yeah. Suggested innovation framework, case study 3M, how do you manage innovation, and 3M innovation strategy and leadership, yeah. You can make it with electrical engineering, yeah. And innovation, what is it? Innovation is the introduction of new ideas, goods, service, and practices which are intended to be useful. To a number of unsuccessful innovation can be found throughout history. The main driver for innovation is often the courage and energy to better the world. An essential element for innovation is its application in a commercially successful way. Innovation has punctuated and changed human history. Consider the development of electricity, steam engines, motor vehicle, et al., etc. Yeah. So innovation is new idea and like build forth on innovation. If we want to succeed as a company and as an industry, we must drive innovation into everything we do, into technology, into safety, into design, and into real world solution for environmental issues like the impact of energy usage on our world. This is the Chairman Billboard speech, National Press Club, Washington DC, November 22, 2005. It's a long time ago. Innovation is going to be the compass by which the company set its direction. Yeah. And then in business and economic, innovation is often divided into five. Yeah. Product innovation, which involve the introduction of new good or service that is substantially improved. This might include improvement in functional characteristics, technical abilities, ease of use, or any other dimension. Yeah. And then process innovation involves the implementation of a new or significantly improved production or delivery method. And then marketing innovation is the development of new marketing methods with improvement in product design or packaging, product promotion or pricing. And then organizational innovation, also referred to as social innovation, involve the creation of new organizations, business practices, ways of running organization, or new organizational behavior, yeah. And then business model innovation or involves changing the way business is done in terms of capturing values like compact versus Dell, yeah. And then yeah, you can compare another things, yeah, like car, like Atlas and uh, Atlas, yeah. What is the car that Elon Tesla, yeah, Tesla with BYD, and then another, and then innovative thinking, Six Simple Secret by Paddy Savin, yeah. This is from the book, yeah. And then what is creativity, yeah. Creativity, uh, according to social physiologist Teresa Amabel, there are three basic ingredients to a creativity. Yeah, domain skill. Domain skill developed as one becomes an expert in a field. Yeah, to be creative mechanical engineer, one must first master the fundamental of the discipline. Yeah, and then creative thinking skill. Creative thinking skill includes seeking novelty and diversity, being independent, being persistent, and having high standard. Yeah, and then intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation implies that the reason for doing things come from within, from passion and pleasure, not as a result of external demand, pressure, or rewards. Yeah, so this is creativity. Yeah, and then portrait of creative person. Creative people pay attention to their work, see things differently, challenge assumptions, take risks, are not afraid to fail, and strive to generate multiple solutions to problems. They are passionate about creativity and seek opportunities to innovate. And then 60 to help you enhance your creativity. Yeah. First, open your mind. Yeah. Have one new experience every day, no matter how small. Yeah. New experience stimulate the brain and help you make new and original connections, critical for boosting breakthrough. Yeah. So diversify, involve others in your problem solving effort with who bring a different perspective or cultural experience than yours. Mental force, relax, stress, intense exhaustion, boredom, and even pain can block our pathways to creativity. And then stop looking for the right answer. Looks for many right answer. Yeah, many right answers. Yeah, discover your creative rhythm. Start paying attention to when you get your best ideas. And then health make wealth. Regular exercise not only benefit your body, it boosts brain performance as well. Yeah. And then another one, find what you love to do. We know people do their most creative work when they love doing what they're doing. There is no substitute for intrinsic motivation. That is motivation that comes from within. Although such motivation doesn't guarantee creativity, the creativity dislike or lack of interest in work practically guarantees non-creativity. Yeah. So, if you want to do something, yeah, try to love what you do, like study also. Yeah. And then a suggested innovation framework. Yeah. First, find what you love to do. Yeah, or become an expert in a field that you love, and then become passionate about your field. Yeah, and then seek opportunities, open your mind and mental flaws, discover your creativity rhythm, and health makes wealth. Yeah, and then identify problems and or opportunities, challenge or assumption, and then seek opportunities to innovate. And then set goals and objective. Define clearly your goals and objective. Yeah. And then seek novelty in design. Seek novelty in design. Diversify. Stop looking for the right answer. Look for many right answer. Yeah. And then at the top, just do it. Do not afraid to fail. Take risks and then move your idea forward. Yeah. So who is in the top is already do from the bottom. Yeah, so just do it. Yeah, and then case study. Yeah, how they manage innovation. Yeah, 3M, a company company present a consistent picture in interviews and in publication. Yeah, innovation success in a consequence of creating the culture in which it can take place. It becomes the way we do things around here in a very real sense. This philosophy is borne out in many anecdotes and case histories. The key to their success has been create the condition in which innovation can arise from any of a number of directions, including lucky accident, and there is a deliberate attempt to avoid putting too much structure in place since this would constrain innovation. Yeah, and then innovation strategy and leadership. Yeah, setting targets such as X% of sales from product introduced during the past 5 years provides a clear and consistent message and a focus for the whole organization. Allocation resources as like space and time in which staff can explore and play with ideas built on change, events or combination, etc. Encouragement of bootlegging employees working on innovation projects in their own time and often accessing resources in a non-formal way, the benevolent blind eye effect. Provision of stage resource support for innovators who want to take an idea forward effectively, different levels of internal venture capital for which people can bid against increasingly high hurdle. This encourages entrepreneurship, internal entrepreneurial behavior, rather than people feeling they have to leave the firm to take their good ideas forward. Yeah, and then exercise and discussion. Yeah, you can find yourself what is innovation, and then you take it into electrical engineering. Yeah, maybe one day you will need it, and you can make also for your research project. Yeah, okay, thank you for uh, see my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi